Welcome back, students. So today we're going to discuss the 10 questions in ages. So daily I'm going to give you 10 questions, and for that 10 questions I'm going to solve those questions with easy shortcuts and tricks. So once you try those questions, and after that you can look at this explanation, it will be helps you to do it very faster. Right. So let me start this concept from ages. Look at this question. In this question, the ratio of the present age of a mother and her daughter is 7:1. 4 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 19:1. What will be the mother's age 4 years from now? That's what the question. So, whenever in your question, if you had two ratios in the question, it may be a ratio and proportion or a partnership, time and work, so many concepts. You get two ratios in single question. So if you got two ratios, write first ratio 7/1, and next ratio is 19/1. So two ratios are there. So always write both the ratios in left hand side one ratio and right hand side one ratio. Okay, then you can solve it easily. So 7/1. So put x for the at present value. So which one is asking? Always put x for that. So look at this. Now it was 7/1. It was converted into 19/1. Why? Why? Because of 4 years ago. 4 years ago means if you go back, you need to subtract. Or if 4 years after, 4 years hence, you need to add. Okay, so here they go back 4 years. So I'm going to subtract 4 years from this. Okay, so because of this 4 years before, it was converted into 19/1. Okay, so look at this. Now it is easy. If you cross multiply these numbers, you will get the answer. So that's the easiest way of getting solution for this kind of questions. So equal to left hand side, equal to right hand side. Now if you cross multiply this, you will get the answer. So 1 times 7x, so 7x minus 4 is equal to, and 19 times 1 is 19x minus 19 into 4. Okay, let's take 20 into 4. So 20 into 4 is what? 80. So subtract 4 in that. Okay, that's it. 76. So here 7x minus 4 is equal to 19x minus 76. Okay, now take x in one side, 19x, 7x. So if I take 19 minus 7, I will write step by step for the first problem. 19x, okay, minus 7x. Okay, most of the students confuse this also. So 7x minus 19x is equal to minus 76 plus 4. So if you solve this, I subtract 7, 9, 12. So 12x, but that is negative 12. That is equal to 76 minus 4. That is 72, negative 72. So minus and minus getting cancelled, right? So now x is equal to 72 over 12. So 12, how many times 72? 6 times, right? So x value is equal to 6. What is the question? What will be the mother's age 4 years from now? Which is mother's age? 7x. This is mother and this is daughter. So x value is 6. 6 into 7. 6 into 7 is 42. This is at present age. But they are asking what will be the mother's age 4 years from now. So after 4 years plus 4. 72 plus 4 is what? Sorry, 42 plus 4 is what? 46 is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. So this is what the concept. I hope you guys understand this model. Just I'm going to explain the concepts. You can solve it and get the answer quickly. Let's look at the second question. How to write this faster? See, the age of Nishi and Vinnee are in the ratio 6:5. So they are in the ratio 6:5. One ratio is 6/5. And after 9 years, the ratio of their ages is 9:8. So another one is 9:8. So 9/8. So 6:5 became 9:8. Why? Because of after 9 years. So put x value here. From this, after 9 years, it was converted into 9/8. That's it. Just cross multiply, you will get the answer. So 8 times 6x plus 9, that is equal to 9 times 5x plus 9. Okay, so 48x plus 9 into 8, 72, that is equal to 9 5s of 45x plus 9 into 9, 81. So solve this and you get the answer. Okay, it will be easy. So I don't want to spend much time. So from this, I know that you can solve this problem. Okay, I will complete this problem anyway. That is 45, 48, that is 3x this side, and 72, 81. So 9, right? So x is equal to 9 over 3, that is nothing but 3. If x is equal to 3, what is the difference in their ages? Look at this. The ratio is 6:5. They are asking difference. Okay, this is 6x means this is 5x. Difference means, what is the difference between these two? 1x, right? 1x is equal to what? X is equal to 3. So 1 is equal to 3. So 3 years is the difference. That's what the right answer. Simple. Don't find Nishi's age separately and Vinnee's age separately. Directly find the difference. Right. Next question. Just I will write the steps. The present age of Amit and his father are the age 2:5. So 2 over 5. 4 years hence the ratio of their ages become 5:11. So 5 by 11. So this ratio become this ratio. Why? Because 4 years hence. So plus 4 and plus 4. What was the father's age 5 years ago? So find the father's age first and then go to the 5 years ago, previous 5 years. So I want your answer for the third question in my comment box. Okay, so I had explained this concept. Just solve it, find the x value, and if you got the father's age, x into father's age is 5 part. 5 into x, then according to that 5 years ago, so minus 5 will be the answer. So what is the x value? Find it. Right. And fourth question. The ratio of the ages of father and his son is 17:7. So hereafter, don't read the question completely. If you got one ratio, just write here. Okay, 6 years ago, the ratio of their ages will be 3 by 1. So here it was 3 by 1. So 17x and 7x, 6 years ago. So minus 6, it becomes 3 by 1. So what is the father's percentage? Just find out the x value, and if you find the x value, father is 17 part. 17 into x is the answer. Correct? Right. Next, fifth question. I want that answer also in my comment box. Okay. The ages of Shakti and just I will give the answers. Yes. Okay, right. The ages of Shakti and Kanti are in the ratio of 8:7. So don't read this question. Just write 8x and 7x. Okay, after 10 years the ratio will be 13 over 12. So why? Because of after 10 years. So plus 10 and plus 10. Just put equal to mark, just cross multiply, you will get the answer. They want the difference of their ages. Okay, so if you cross multiply this 12 times 8x plus 10, that is equal to 13 times 7x plus 10. Okay, just solve this and find the x value. Substitute here. Don't substitute here, just find out the difference. Difference is 1x. That is the difference. So x is the answer. Okay, just get the answer for this. For fifth problem, you need to get option A. 2 is the right answer. Okay, so I want your answer. Just check whether you get 2 or not. Next, sixth problem. The ages of A and B are in the ratio 6:5. Right? And sum of their ages is 42 years old. And sum of the years means, let's take this is 6x, this is 5x. What is the sum? 6 plus 5 is 11x. 11x is equal to 44 years. What will be the ratio of their ages after 8 years? Okay, after 8 years, what is the age? First of all, look at this. This ratio is the present age. Okay, so and sum is 44. So first you separate this. 6:5. Okay, so 11 part is equal to 44, means 6 part is equal to what? Okay, remaining is 5 part is equal to what? You can get the answer. So 11 part is equal to 44. 44 divided by 11, you will get the 1 part. You don't need to find 5x or 6x, just find 1x is what? 11x is equal to 44. 1x is equal to 44 by 11 is 4 times. 1 part is 4 means 6 part is what? 6 into 4, 6 times 4, 24, and 5 times 4 is 20. Correct? So this is the age of A and B now. What will be the ratio of their ages after 8 years? So add 24 plus 8, okay, and 20 plus 8. 20 plus 8 is 28, and 24 plus 8 is 32. Okay, now they want the ratio of these numbers. So just cancel this. 32 is 16, that is 14. Again, it will be 8 is to 7. That's what the right answer, 8 is to 7. Is it clear? Next question. It is this question you need to concentrate a little bit more. It takes little bit more time when you solve first, but most of the interviews they are asking this question. Okay, so look at this. Farah got married 8 years ago. Today her age is 1, 2 by 7. So this is in mixed fraction. Whenever you got a value in mixed fraction, convert it into fraction value. Okay, so 7 times 1 is 7 plus 2, 9 by 7. I can write like this instead of this. Okay, right. Then at present her daughter's age is 1/6 of her age. This is one statement. What is that? 3 years ago. So first find the at present age, then we go for 3 years ago. Farah got married 8 years ago. Okay, so Farah got married 8 years ago. So let's take 8 years ago. See, Farah 8 years ago is equal to X years. Let come from that. From 8 years ago, marriage day was X. So today, what it will be? So today it will be X plus 8. Is it clear? So don't take today is X. It will be easy. Instead of taking subtraction, addition will be easy. So the past is X. Now it was X plus 8. Okay. Now we're going to equate this question. Look at this. Today her age is 9 by 7. So let's take X plus 8. That is today. So today I'm going to compare. What is that? 9 by 7. Today her age is 9 by 7 times her age at of her marriage. So 9 by 7 times of marriage age, that is X years, into X. I can write like this. So just solve this. X plus 8 is equal to 9 by 7 into X. What you will get? I can write here. Okay, 7X plus 56 is equal to 9X. Right? Next, 2X is equal to 56. X is equal to half of 56 is 28. So now I got X value is equal to 28. That means Farah marriage age was 28. Okay, so from this I can find out that at present, okay, so at present is what? At present is X plus 8. That means 28 plus 8, that is 36. So at present her age was 36. Now read the remaining. At present her daughter's age is 1/6 of her age. 1/6 of her age means 1 by 6 into 36. So if you cancel this, you will get 6. Okay, what was her daughter's age 3 years ago? At present it was 6, means 3 years ago 3 was the right answer. So 6 minus 3, that is 3. So step by step, whatever they said, we need to do it. Either the times means multiply, okay, ago means subtraction, after means addition. To do one by one, you will get the answer. I hope you guys understand this. Let's move to the next question. The age of mother today is thrice that of her daughter. After 12 years, the age of mother will be twice that of her daughter. The present age of the daughter is 1. So for this question, actually twice, thrice, 2 by 3, 5 by 7, whatever it is. Okay, so this is multiplication, product. If they're given like this, you can convert this into ratio. It will be very easy. Look at this. Here what they are trying to say is mother and daughter. There are two persons. Okay, mother is thrice that of her daughter. So if daughter's age is 1 means mother is thrice. It will be 3. Simple. After 12 years. So after 12 years what happened? Same mother and daughter. Now mother is twice that of her daughter. So if daughter is 1, mother will be twice 2. So I got two ratios, right? So simply you can solve this. Initially it was 3 by 1, that means 3x by 1x, and later it converted into 2 by 1. Why it was converted means because of 12 years after. Okay, so plus 12. So if you solve this, you can get the answer. Okay, so easy numbers. Solve this first. Answer for this 8th question is option A. Okay, you can check this. Right, and 9th sub. The present age of Mr. Sanyal is 3 times. Okay, just I will write this equation like previous question. Two person, one is Sanyal and his son. Okay, and son. Okay. Present age is 3 times the age of the sun. So 3 times the age of the sun, and 6 years hence the age will be 5 is to 2. Directly they gave, so 5 is to 2. So 3 by 1, 3x by 1x, right? 6 years hence means plus 6, that is equal to 5 over 2. Solve this. What is the present age of Sanya? So this is what you need to find. And one more thing, Sanya's present age is 3 times means his age will be multiple of 3. Okay, his age is also multiple of 3. So you can check the multiple of 3 answers only. No need to check. 50 will not come. Okay, 48 may become. So remaining 3 numbers are multiple of 3. So no other way. So better you can solve this. If you have only one option is multiple of 3, directly you can take those answers. That's how you can take and check those answers. Right? Okay, the average of the ages of a man and his daughter is 34 years. If the respective ratio of their ages 4 years from now is 14 is to 5, what is daughter's present age? So this is what the question. Let's solve this. The average of the ages of man and his daughter is 34. Here this question is based on average question. What is the formula for average, guys? Average is equal to sum of all the elements over total number of elements. So we know that, right? So here average is given, that is 34. So average is 34. Okay, whose average it was? Man and his daughter. So man and his daughter's average. Average means divided by total number. So this is what the concept. Okay, from this I can find out that what is the sum. If I want sum, I need to take this to this side, total to this side. Okay, so sum is equal to, that means man plus daughter's age is equal to 34 into 2. 34 into 2 is what? 68, right? So man and daughter's age is equal to 68. What is the question? What is the present or the daughter's present age? Okay, so present age of daughter, they give one ratio for us. So 14 is to 5. This is for the man and this is for daughter. Okay, so total is 68. Just simply you can do this. But see, the respective ratio ages 4 years from now. This ratio is not now. It was 4 years. Sorry guys. It was after 4 years. So now the total is 68. Now the total is 68 means after 4 years, father's age will increase by 4 and daughter's age will be increased by 4. So if both of the ages are increased by 4 means 8 years you need to add. So be clear in this concept. Don't add only 4. If there are 2 persons inside, this means you need to add 2 4. 3 persons means you need to add 3 4. So 68 plus 4 plus 4 8. So what is that? 70. 8 means 76, correct? So 76 is the age after 4 years from now. Okay, so now you need to split this. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 part is equal to 76. I want the age of daughter. Daughter is 5 part. So 5 part is equal to 1. Just cross multiply this. 76 times 5 over 19. Okay, if you solve this, you will get the right answer. That is, look at this, 76 into 5 divided by 19. So for this you will get 20. Okay, 20 as the answer. But this 20 is when? This 20 is after 4 years. Okay, after 4 years is 4 is to 14 is to 5. So 20 years is after 4 years. So minus 4, 16 is the right answer. Okay, at present the age is 16, that is not given, so none of this is the answer. So here I want to tell one thing, please listen. If my age is, okay, look at this, if my I will explain here. If my age is 30, your age is 20, okay, what is the ratio? 3 is to 2. If next year my age will be 31 and your age will be 21, what is the ratio? Means 31 is to 21 is the ratio. If one more year, 32 my age, then your age will be 22. Now if you take the ratio 11, here it was 16. So each year ratio will change. Okay, so each year ratio will change. So this, in this question, this 14 is to 5 is only for after 4 years. You getting the ages using this 14 is to 5. 14 is to 5 is after 4 years. So that age is 14 is to 5. So 20 years is nothing but after 4 years. So now 20 minus 4, 16 is the right answer. But 16 is not in the options. So answer is option E, none of this. Don't take cannot be determined. We can able to find, but that answer is not given in the option, so take none of this. So I hope you guys understand all these things. So meet you in the next 10 questions in next video. All the very best, practice well. Thank you, take care, and bye.